So in this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can fix your notifications not coming through or not working on your iPhone. So step number one, what we need to do is head over to our settings. And then from the main settings page here, we then want to scroll down until we see the option for notifications. Now, once we click on this, you will then get different options. Now, what we've got is we've got all this at the top, so you can choose the notification type. But if you go down to where it says notification style, you will then get all your different apps under here, right? Now, what you'll notice is that on some of these apps, they are chosen to be off, right? So if I click on 8 ball pool, for example, what you will notice is that my notifications on this are off for whatever reason. So what you want to do is toggle this on. And then all you need to do is you essentially need to go through and find the apps that you are not getting notifications for. And if you're not getting them, you can click on it and then you can re-enable the notifications inside the app settings here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix not getting notifications on your iPhone.